Now we are assembling the L40 tractor, the transmission, and we have to make sure that the gears are on the proper position so that it will not cause any damage or problem. Causes of broken gears. One is low oil level, wrong type of oil, or dirty that leads to overheating, friction, and weakening of gear teeth. Another is misalignment,
Ito?
worn bearings, or improper installation
Pasok ko na ba?
causes uneven contact between teeth, leading to breakage. My partner said
Luwag
that
kayo no?
the bearing is loose, and if this happened, the shaft no longer rotates straight. The gears and only touch the edge instead of full touch surface, and that is why you have seen that we double check the teeth of the gears, and also it should in a proper position. We also advise the owner of this tractor to use the original main drive, because original parts are made to exact factory specification. Proper fit prevents misalignments, which can cause bearing looseness and gear breakage. Main drive use correct grade, steel, and precise heat treatment. I don't want others interpreted negatively. However, customers should hire a technician who undergo proper training from which they bought the unit, because company mechanics are required to the use of original parts. This prevents problems like poor fit or bearing looseness and gear
Buwan ko
failure.
guys. Ngaw yan.
Company
Okay.
mechanics follow safety
Pag matanggal
standard
na gani, yan ay problema.
set by
Ang kuan
manufacturer,
eh.
reduce the
Ang
risk of
resulta ni.
accidents or
Mag-iyan
major
na siya to.
mechanic failure. Outside mechanic may charge less
Yan ay bago.
initially. Improper repairs can lead to repeated failures, damage of other components. Company repairs are usually more reliable and cost effective in the long run.
Oh, hindi. Buhay sabit. Oh, hindi.
Before the video ends, I'd like to give thanks to our God Almighty for giving us another chance to perform our skills, especially in the repairing tractors, the transmission. I'm sorry if we cannot take a full or the detailed videos on this part, but I'm encouraging you to leave a comment if you have questions, so I can give you a hint or suggestions or idea on how we do it. And for the informations of everybody, this tractor was repaired by outside mechanic, and the owner asked a help from us. They called us to assist, and there we found out that their truck is not properly installed, especially the gears. Thank you very much for watching.